Bob Wood, and I'm here in the Goschenhoppen Folklife Museum in the 18th century agricultural equipment section. Now we have some interesting things here. This is a moldboard plow. This is the moldboard. Here's the blade with a shear. Here's the moldboard. It's called a moldboard probably because the top, it's an English term I believe, top 6 inches or 8 inches of soil is called the mold. So it's the mold board. It turns the mold over, turns the sod over. This is much reconfigured. The original piece was all oak, probably white oak, and painted. There's still a little evidence of the blue paint there. This tongue here is new. That's replacement. That's pine, and the original would have been oak. Also, the original would have had a slot here for the coulter, which was like a blade that went down, and it would have had this a shear like this, and a point coming out like this that the coulter would have hooked onto. You have to have a blade or a coulter in order to slice the sod. The moldboard can't turn the sod over unless it's cut. So all plows that would plow sod, had a coulter or some kind of a blade to cut the sod. Modern plows still do. They all do. This is a very nice piece. Made, it's hard to date, but old. And we got it here in the museum because we did not have a moldboard plow, and that's what most of the plows were back in the early days.